Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this tutorial, I will be showing you on how to turn off restriction mode on TikTok application without password. Now before we begin, make sure to update the TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open your TikTok application. So here the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner. So next on the profile page, what you have to do is just simply tap on the trio bar icon or the 3 dash icon, which is on the upper right corner. And as soon as you tap on it, down there you can see a pop-up window, and right at the bottom there you can see settings and privacy. Just tap on it. So next you will land inside the info or the detail of settings and privacy. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply scroll down, and down there on the second option you can see content and activity, and under it you can see different options, and on the fifth option there is digital well-being, so just tap on it. Now here as you can see on the other page there is digital well-being. Now under it there you can see a list of different options, and on the fourth step there is restricted mode. Just tap on it. And as you can see that currently my restricted mode is turned on. Now in order to turn it off, you can just tap on turn off button, which is right down there. Now here as you can see that without entering the passcode, you'll not be able to turn off the restricted mode. Now in case you have forgotten your password or your password does not match, what you can do is now simply tap on forgot password. So on next page you have to verify your identity. Now in order to verify your identity, a verification code will be sent through your email or your phone number. Now either you choose phone number or email, the process is similar. So on the other page you have to enter the 6-digit code that will be sent to your email address or your phone number, and down there as you can see there is a time limitation, so you have to enter within the time period, otherwise the verification code will be marked as invalid. So on the other page as you can see that you get to reset a new password, so then create a new passcode, and after you're done creating a passcode, so then tap on next, which is right at the bottom. So once again, in order to confirm your new passcode, so you have to re-enter it, and once again tap on set, which is right at the bottom. Now next what you have to do is just simply tap on restricted mode, and then once again tap on turn off, which is right at the bottom. So now as you have created a new passcode, so then enter the passcode. So after you're done entering the passcode, so then tap on next, and now the restricted mode has been turned off. Now this is how you can turn off your restricted mode on TikTok application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.